Hey guys, we're out here today just going to be doing the first oil change on the young fella's RMZ 250 2015. We just got it, so we've been YouTubing a few learning a few lessons off YouTube, so we're going to have a crack at it today. So when we got the bike, we got this jack stand with it, which was a free extra thanks to the previous owner. That was real good of him. We've got our oil sump pan, a few utensils, and we've had a look on, like I said, on YouTube, and we reckon we're going to just have a bit of a crack at it. Alright, so you've been for a bit of a ride on it?
Yeah.
And what's that for?
Huh?
What's that for again?
So that oil can come out nice.
Yeah, heats the oil up. I taught him that.
So did you know you have to take this off as well, so that the oil has two holes so it flows through better?
Not too bad. So which one is it? The back one?
Yep. This one over here. The back one is front one, it's the back one. Oil pan's too high.
No, it'll be fine. Nice.
That oil was actually clean as. Oh, I don't know about clean as, but it's not real dirty.
So guys, if you doing this on
out.
some nice flash concrete, just remember you could spill some oil on the. So we've just decided to put that cap on and the bottom one on again, just so stuff don't get in there. We're going to move the bike onto the jack stand. So we just done the bolt up finger tight first. Make sure it's threaded in properly, not cross threaded or anything. We just brought the fair lane out to give that a wash at the same time. Real handy having this jack stand, gonna save our backs. My back's old. So we're just changing this main filter first. Just grab your rag. Right. That's why we put this on the grass.
So this side, it goes in that way. So
Still
the
a nice clean one.
black's at the back, okay?
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah, this rubber seal is at the back. Did you get the spring on the cap?
Spring on the cap.
Filter in there, and we're thinking of taking that outer casing off. Check another screen filter in there. So where this jack stand comes in handy. Really good learning how to do this stuff yourself. Easier to take it to the shop and get them to do it, but you don't learn much.
Oh, that's real clean.
2 washes. So this filter's coming out.
Oh, there is some shavings in there.
Not too bad. Yeah, give that a wash in that petrol, mate.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty clean.
What? It's yellow.
Yep, nice fresh oil.
Daddy, is that yellow?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's quite a bit of oil. That looks like heaps of oil.
Is it exactly 900?
exactly
These in your chuck
on the
on the
dot.
compost.
Nice and slowly, mate.
Put it all the way up to the top. It's just
Take your
going
time
into
doing this.
there.
We don't have a funnel. There's a little baby here. Hey, baby.
Yeah. We're just gonna go swimming a little bit.
Oh, first oil change done. Pretty simple in the end. Now we're on to cooking some ribs on the
Well,
barbecue.
you still have to clean the air filter.
I'm on to ribs now. We've got some ribs thawing out. Always good to do the air filter as well. Been doing a lot of riding on the sand, so dusty.
Thank God I didn't even need to take these front ones off.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's a spider.
Hmm.
Do you like spiders?
No.
Because this really are.
Hey, Chuck, they're
What?
away.